Everybody, I hope you're doing fine. Hope you had a great weekend and that your week is off to a good start. I want to take just a moment to circle back and talk about something that was a part of one of our earlier weekly folders, and that's the concert review experience. So again, at some point you're going to need to attend a live performance and ultimately write a paper about that experience. So there are three documents that I want to go over with you today. Now, each of these can be found in the tab located on the left side of Blackboard called Concert Review. Now, the first document is called Concert Performance List. Now, this is simply a list of previously approved performances that you can attend. Now, you'll notice that each of these are in line with the general theme of the class. In other words, they are traditional performances by things such as an orchestra, a choir, a jazz band, things of that nature. Now, these are not the only concerts that you can go to. If you have a performance that you would like to attend that's not on this list, you must run it by me in advance to make sure that it is, again, in line with the general tenor of the class. The second document is called the Concert Review Guideline. And it's simply just that. It's just a guideline document that lists the areas that you must write about. In fact, there are 5 of them that you need to include in your narrative for your paper. It also lists things such as the format and length of the paper as well. The third document is the concert review rubric. And as with any rubric, this is just a list of points that I will use when I'm grading the paper. So if you want to know how each of these 5 areas that you're writing about are going to be scored and graded, you can see that in advance there on the rubric. A couple things that you must know. So when you attend a concert, you have 2 weeks from that concert date to submit your paper. So let's say hypothetically, so if you went today to a performance which is Monday, October 1st, you have 2 weeks from today to submit that paper, which I assume is going to be Monday, October 14th. Now, all concert papers must be turned in no later than November 26th. Again, November 26th. So if you attend a performance later in the semester, let's say if you go to one that's on November 20th, you're not going to have 2 weeks to submit that paper. You only have 6 days until that deadline of November 26th comes up. Now, another important thing that you must be aware of and you must include in your paper is verification that you did go to that concert. So when you go to a performance, you need to make sure you retain something such as a ticket stub or a program notes that you get when you go to the concert that lists the pieces on the program. And you'll need to either scan or scan into your paper or take a photo and embed it into your paper that document. Again, this is the way that I can verify that you did go to that performance. Once you've written your paper, you need to submit it into Blackboard. Again, you'll find that in that concert review tab, and it's going to be submitted through SafeAssign. So that's it. So take just a moment, review those 3 documents, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll do my very best to help you. All right. Take care, have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.